everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to learn about daily use sentences. So, first sentence is What do you do after school? तू शाळेनंतर काय करतोस? What do you do after school? Second, When do you sleep? तू कधी झोपतोस? When do you sleep? Third, Why do you laugh? तू का हसतोस? Why do you laugh? Fourth, How do you go to college? तू कॉलेजला कसा जातोस? किंवा How do you go to school? तू स्कूलला कसा जातोस? And then last, What time do you have lunch every day? तू रोज दुपारचे जेवण किती वाजता करतो? What time do you have lunch every day? Okay, thank you for watching these shorts. Thank you. Bye bye.